channel. Today I'm going to show you a surprised home. But it's not our home. It is bird's home. It's called as a nest. See over there. How many nests are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 nests are there. And even I can hear the birds chirping. Can you hear the chirping? Comment in the comment box. If you like this video, subscribe, like and comment. Bye!